What's going on, guys? So it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. On my Facebook page, I follow this one local car group called Guelph Velocity Meet. So they're nice and local. And today they posted about a little birthday cruise. So I've never met up or seen this group of cars before. So I decided I'd bring the old station wagon out, see what kind of cars are all part of the group. A lot of nice, clean old classics and muscle cars, all beautiful and clean, nicely built. So yeah, hopefully in the next little while here we'll be heading out, doing a little cruise drive-by. Nothing special, just a quick little something to make somebody's day. So here's just a walk around of me going around all the cars, and then I'll hopefully pull over to the side and we can get some of the cars rolling out, driving by. Get a whole lineup. There might be a few more coming still, so yeah, not a bad turnout.